Now come to our topic, food nutrients. Okay, think, why do we eat every day? For what's the reason we should eat food? What happens if we don't eat sometimes? What happens, children, if we not take our food on time? Okay, definitely we will get weak. Okay, we need food to survive. For example, we need food to turn right side. We need energy to turn left side. So for this energy, how you will get energy? By the food only, isn't it? So we need food. Food is important to survive. Okay, so every day we feel hungry, and when eat something, then we eat something. So our body is telling us it need foods. Why do we need food? Let us see. Why do we need food? Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, to work and play. And food builds our body, isn't it? Food keeps us healthy also. We eat different food items, isn't it? Daily. Some are raw and some are cooked. Each of these food items contains different nutrients. Okay, raw means without cooked food, that is known as raw. Okay, even the fruit, okay, we can eat sometime raw. For example, raw banana, which is green in color, also we are using it for our requirements, isn't it? In the same way, mango also, we are using raw mango also to make gravy. Okay, like this. And pickle, we are using raw mango. In this way, we are using many things in raw. So there are five main nutrients, okay, that our body requires, isn't it? So they are what they are? They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Even fiber also very important, children. Okay, we will get from these also fibers. So these things are important for to build our body. Now let us see one by one. Okay, where we will get carbohydrate. Okay, these nutrients. World Food Day is observed on October 16. Okay, children, we are celebrating in October 16 as a World Food Day. Now carbohydrates. Our carbohydrate is, our body needs energy to work, okay, play, and do other activities. For example, if you want to watch television, you need energy to open your eyes, to open your lid, okay, or if you inhale the oxygen also, you need energy. Okay, so for these requirements, for each and everything, for our poor one only also, they need energy, because they are inhaling and exhaling our cells. Okay, so for each thing we need energy. So how we will get energy? From the food, isn't it? So let us see different types of food. So carbohydrates are energy giving food. Okay, carbohydrate is a energy giving food. Do you know in which food carbohydrate is present, children? Potato, main source, rice, wheat. Okay, every day you are eating chapati, isn't it? Rice eating, potato eating. So these are the main sources of carbohydrate. Let us see some more. Okay, we can study detail about carbohydrates. So our carbohydrates are energy giving food, isn't it? Food that contains carbohydrates are rice, okay, rice, wheat, and what? Potatoes. Okay, children, it is potato, and sugar cubes, and bread. That is, these bread is coming from the wheat, okay, and sugar also important. So these are the pictures. You can observe this one. You will get this wheat, rice, okay, and the sugar cube, potato, and this is the bread, that is wheat. Now the next important, okay, the next important nutrients is proteins. Okay, it is build our body. Protein is responsible to build our body. So proteins build, okay, protein builds and maintain okay, and replace the tissues in our body. Tissues means cells, okay, that you will study in higher grades. What is cells and pores, tissues, all those things. So just now you understand, for each thing of your body they need energy, because everything, even the tip of your finger, just imagine one line is there, so many lines in your finger, this line they need energy. Have you observed, children, sometime you will get hurt, your skin will removed from your finger, index finger, then how it will again repair? Because you are eating food, that's why it is regaining the skin again, isn't it? So it will, how will you regain? Because of your food. You are taking different types of food, and so many enzymes work inside our body, they will help to regain it. Understand? So for that we need protein. Okay, so they are also known as, okay, they are also known as body building foods. What? Proteins. Okay, example, fish, milk, egg, nuts, dry nuts, okay, our dry fruits, and sprouted seeds. Understand? Sprouted seed means, here look at this picture, children, this is the sprouted seeds. Yes, these give main source of protein, and egg, okay, milk also. Just observe this picture, you will able to understand. Okay, now the third is fats. Okay, fat is also important, okay, but in the little amount, okay, less quantity. If we take in more quantity, obesity, have you heard this word? So which is not good for our health. Okay, so now here, fats provide energy to us. They act as the body's energy reservoir. Okay, fat is stored in our body, especially in our walls of our skin, stomachs. So fats also help to keep the body warm, because it is warm during very cold weather. So how the animals also during summer they are eating more, and they are stored fat in their bodies, and during hibernation, that is mean in winter they are sleeping. So they need, how they survive, they are sleeping inside their houses, So how they survive? Because of fat only. So fat will give energy. Okay, when they are not eating, that fat is giving energy regularly to them. In the same way, fat in our body also giving energy and warmth. Okay, during winter season. Too much fat in the body, too much fat, okay, in the body may lead to obesity. Is a kind of disease. Obesity is what? Is a kind of disease. Is a sick. Is a kind of disease which is not good for us. Okay, or overweight. Okay, if you take too much fat, cholesterol also, okay, can affect you, that you will study in higher grades. So which is not good. You can put on weight, you will not feel healthy, you cannot walk easily. Okay, some food items that contain fats are cheese. Okay, do you like to eat cheese? I know, yeah, your favorite, cheese and butter, that much, very tasty, and ghee, wow. Now meat, okay, all, and nuts, okay, fat, nuts, oil also. So these are the sources of fats.